So, hello everyone. My name is Engineer Ryan D. Gonzalez, BS Environment and Sanitary Engineering graduate. So my topic for this subject is I chose the numerical modeling of heavy metal absorption using iron oxide nanoparticles, finite difference approach. So the topic explores how computational mathematics, specifically the finite difference method, can model the adsorption of heavy metals in water using iron oxides nanoparticles. So heavy metals like lead are hazardous pollutants. Conventional water treatment methods are often costly or produce secondary waste. Nanoparticles, especially iron oxide-based ones, offer an efficient, cost-effective alternative. So the main objective of this study is to apply a numerical simulation technique to predict how lead ions move and are absorbed in a water column treated with iron oxide nanoparticles. The adsorption is modeled using advection diffusion reaction using this equation, where C is the lead concentration and D is the diffusion coefficient, and KL, K are Langmuir constant representing the reaction kinetics. The model is solved using the finite difference method, or FDM, with an explicit scheme. We discretize time and space, apply boundary and initial condition, and simulate concentration profiles in MATLAB. Stability is ensured by keeping the ratio d change in time over change x squared, or delta x squared, less than 0.5. The simulation shows how lead concentration decreases over the time and space. Higher Langmuir rate constant result in faster absorption. Breakthrough curves demonstrate how the efficient changes depending on system parameters. The 1D model, although simplified, reveals trends and behaviors that align with physical expectations. This computational approach allows for sensitivity analysis without lab experiments, making it a useful design tool. So, in summary, finite difference modeling provides a practical and insightful method to simulate heavy metals absorption using iron oxide nanoparticles. It bridges theoretical understanding and real-world water treatment design. So, thank you for watching. So, this is my presentation. So, for further question or copy of the paper, feel free to reach out. So, thank you very much. That's all.